Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying what you have, run code version, or open help right arrow about so you know the target versus current. Next, back up your settings and extensions, export the list and copy settings, JSON to a safe folder. Then download the specific installer for your platform and architecture. Make sure the file name exactly matches the version you want. Once done, close Vscode and stop any code-related background processes so the installer can replace files without conflicts. You now uninstall the current release cleanly. Use your operating system's package manager, control panel, or App Store uninstall flow and avoid automatic data wipes. Make sure you do not delete user data folders. Those hold settings, key bindings, and workspace data. Only remove them if you want a fresh profile. If extensions are tightly coupled to newer APIs, remove them before downgrading and plan to reinstall compatible versions from your exported list. Once complete, reboot or at least restart your shell to clear lingering locks. You can now run the older installer as administrator. Pick user versus system install based on your previous setup so paths remain consistent. After installation, launch Vscode and confirm the exact version using help right arrow about or code version, and then restore your settings and re-add extensions from the list you saved. Make sure to disable automatic updates to prevent the app from upgrading again. Troubleshooting tip: if extensions break, start with a clean profile and add extensions one by one to identify incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.